If you're traveling or working remotely and need to sign contracts, it can feel like a headache trying to get everything done. But it doesn't have to be difficult, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to sign contracts while on the go. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to sign important documents wherever you are with ease. You might think you need a printer, a scanner, or even to be at your desk to sign something. But today, all you really need is your smartphone or laptop and the right software. The best part? You can do it all securely and legally no matter where you are. I'll also share an exclusive free trial of our recommended software that'll make this process seamless for you. Just check the link in the description. Now, let's break this down. The first thing you'll want to do is choose the right e-signature software. After testing out several options, I found one that stands out for its ease of use, security, and flexibility. You don't have to worry about any complicated setup, and it works across devices, meaning you can sign contracts on your phone, tablet, or laptop without any hassle. Whether you're in a cafe in Bali or in a hotel room in New York, it doesn't matter. Our software will keep you covered. To sign contracts, start by uploading your document to the software. This is usually done with just a click. From there, you can add your signature by typing it, drawing it on your screen, or uploading an image of your handwritten signature. The software then securely adds the signature to your document and sends it back to the other party in just a few clicks. If you're working with other people, this software allows for multiple signatures, so each person can add their name where necessary. It also lets you send reminders for those who might be procrastinating on their end, ensuring that everyone gets their part done on time. And with all of this happening digitally, you don't need to worry about waiting for physical mail or shipping. Let's talk security for a second. These documents are legally binding, just like a traditional paper contract. Most e-signature software follows strict regulations like eSign and UETA, ensuring your documents are protected. Plus, they use encryption to keep your signature and personal details secure. This means you can sign contracts while traveling without any concern about safety. And here's a pro tip. If you're not in a rush, you can also track your document. The software will let you know when it's been viewed and when it's been signed, so you never miss a step in the process. Remember, this isn't just about signing documents, it's about doing it fast, securely, and with minimal stress. No more fumbling with printers or scanning devices while traveling or working remotely. Just a few clicks, and you're done. So here's your key takeaway. You can sign contracts while traveling or working remotely, and it's easier than you think. All you need is the right software that works across all devices, ensures security, and is legally binding. To quickly recap: 1. Choose the right e-signature software that works across your devices. 2. Upload your document and add your signature. 3. Sign securely, track your document, and send it back. Lastly, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we've been using today. The link is in the description below, and it's only available to viewers of this channel. Take advantage of it and make your remote contract signing easier than ever. Thanks for watching.